At the Anchorage School District, student and staff safety is our top priority. We're committed to creating a secure and supportive learning environment. To help increase safety across our schools, we're partnering with the Anchorage School District Office of Emergency Management to use portable metal detectors. Students will be asked to remove certain items, such as binders, Chromebooks, and chargers, before entering, while individuals can keep phones and AirPods. Most students pass through easily without any issues. If the detector alarms, students will be asked to pause and check their belongings. It's quick, respectful, and designed to keep everyone safe. If a weapon or contraband is detected, staff will follow ASD's safety procedures, including referring to the school for discipline or contacting the school resource officers. These measures are in place to protect our school community. Please remember, this is not a disciplinary action. It's a proactive safety step for everyone's well-being. ASD's 5 sets of metal detectors are not permanently installed at any school and will rotate across all middle and high schools. They may be used in any school in response to specific safety concerns. Together, we're making our schools safer.